In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a website in 2026. Hostinger Website Builder Tutorial. If you need a portfolio, a blog, or even a full e-commerce store, this walkthrough will show you how I built a complete site using Hostinger's Website Builder, plus how to add an online store when you're ready to sell. I'm starting from scratch with a sleek portfolio because the same process applies to most website types. After logging in, I head to the Websites tab and start a new project with the builder. Right away, Hostinger's AI prompt appears. I enter a brand or site title, describe what I want, and the AI generates a full template in under a minute. If you don't like the first result, just regenerate. I kept mine and changed the color scheme to a vibrant green for more personality. The generated site came pre-filled with demo text and images, a strong hero section, a gallery, space for a video reel, a biography area, and a contact form. From there, I personalize. To add a video, I open Add Elements on the left, choose Video, then drag and place it. You can resize it, add simple animations, and link to a YouTube or Vimeo URL. Other platforms may work, but support is not guaranteed. For images, upload from your device or browse the built-in stock library. I also tried the AI image generator for a dramatic background. Just note, those credits are limited and can run out. The drag and drop editor feels smooth and doesn't wreck your layout when you move items. I also used the AI logo maker to generate a quick, clean logo, faster than designing from scratch. Then I check the mobile view editor to make sure everything looks great on phones, which is essential for people viewing on the go. There's a blog feature too, but I didn't need it for this project. After about an hour of tweaks, I preview the site. A bold hero image with a simple tagline, a reel embedded right below, a clean gallery, a polished bio, and a contact form that makes it easy to reach out or grab a resume. When publishing, Hostinger prompts me to set up a domain. There's a free first year, but remember to check renewal pricing later. You can also choose a subdomain for now. Now, let's add a store. From the left menu, I click Add Store. Hostinger creates a shop page and a dashboard for products, orders, and payments. I integrate it into my layout, rename it, and place it in navigation. I upload product photos, write concise descriptions, set prices, and adjust the layout between grid or list with featured and filter options. Payments are built in, no extra plugins. For e-commerce, you'll need the business plan. The result looks seamless, like the store was there from day one. Overall, the AI tool saved time, the editor was intuitive, and publishing was straightforward. If this helped, like and subscribe and share your experience in the comments. See you next time.